28th letter of Urdu alphabet is Kaf. 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 It sounds like K in cake. 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 When Kaf, when alif is added to Kaf, it changes its shape. Ka. Ka. Kaf alif is Ka. Now, when alif is added to Kaf, the shape of Kaf becomes this. This is Kaf. This is Kaf, and this is alif. Ka. 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 Ka means off. Off. Kaf ki, te alif ta, and be. Kitab. Kitab. Kitab is written like this. Kitab. Kitab means book. Book. Pe zabar pa, kaf zabar ka, and re. Pakad. Pakad is written like this. Pakad. Pakad. Pakad means grip or hold. Khe pesh khu, sheen with jazm, khush, and kaf, khushk. 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 Khushk is written like this. Khushk means dry. Dry. Khushk means dry. Gaf plus gaf is like this. The shape of gaf in the beginning of a word is like this. In the middle of the word, shape of gaf is this. And in the end of the word, the shape of gaf is this. Gaf. Alif mad a, and gaf, ag. Ag. Ag means fire. Ag means fire. Gaf zibgi, reza barra, and jazm over fi, giraf, and te, giraft. Giraft. Giraft is written like this. Giraft. Giraft means grip. Grip. And 30th letter of Urdu alphabet is Lam. 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 Sorry, I didn't introduce the word Gaf. Gaf. This is the 29th letter of Urdu alphabet. Gaf. Gaf. It sounds as G in go. 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 Thirtieth letter of Urdu alphabet is Lam. 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 Lam sounds L in lamp. Lam. lam plus lam, written like this. In the beginning of the word, lam is this, and in the middle of the word, lam is this, and in the end of the word, lam is this, lam, lam. Lab, lam zaballa and be, lab, lam zaballa, be, lab. Lab is written like this, lab. Lab means lip, lip. Lab means lip. Lab means lip.